Drop-down support rails are definitely the most stigmatising products in disabled toilets and showers. When we developed our B-line drop-down support rail, we really wanted to remove the medical aspect of this type of product and replace it with an innovative design suitable for everyone. In the lowered position, it's a real aid for people with reduced mobility. If there's no need for this type of product, it lifts up, taking up very little space, and it can be completely forgotten. You can even go so far as to unclip it and replace it with a tidy cover. This is an advantage for hotels that, for example, might want to transform its room for people with reduced mobility into a classic room. It can also have an economic advantage for hospitals. The hospital can equip only those patient rooms that need this type of product. This rail is available in several finishes, matte white or metallized anthracite. This drop-down support rail also exists in different sizes. They're tested for a maximum user weight of 135 kilos. We thought about the product diameter to make sure it did not tax the muscles more than necessary when you tighten your hand around the rail. There's also a flat surface on top of the drop-down rail to get a good grip, to position the thumb correctly and to avoid the risk of falling. We wanted a good-looking product with built-in safety that is suitable for everyone.